Got my brain. Ah, my cupcakes. Oh no. Hi everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel and welcome back to my kitchen. I'm back in the kitchen. I do not remember the last video I filmed in this place. But today, as Halloween is coming up, we are going to do a little bit of Halloween cooking, and I'm also going to share with you an app that I have been obsessed with. It's called Cooking Fever. I'm currently on experience level 25, which might give you some indication as to how obsessed I am. I'm going to show you the game on my phone, give you a little walk around. I'll try and put it on the screen for you as well. So this is my little kitchen. As you can see, it's decorated for Halloween, and the little people come in a little fancy dress, and it's so cute. This little guy is dressed up for Halloween with a little mask on, and he wants a burger. So I'm cooking a burger, put it in the bun, give him the burger, and then this guy wants a Coke, so I'm gonna give him a Coke. And then this guy also wants a burger, but obviously you can't do it at that pace. You've gotta be pretty fast, and the faster you get the food to the people, the more coins you get. And then once you have completed their orders, they leave the money on the side, you take it, and you have to get a certain amount of money to complete each level. However, once you get really, really far, like I have, it gets so fast, and you have to multitask, and people are stood there like, I want a cheeseburger and fries and Coke, and I want a cake as well. You have so many different customers asking for so many different things, and you've got to get the multitasking down, and it is so fun and so addictive. And I've just been playing it so freaking much. So I will have the link in the description for you guys. Definitely think you should check it out. Just give it a little go. Let me know what you think, and then see if you can beat experience level 25. Not level 25, experience level 25. But yeah, let's start cooking. So I thought it would be a great idea to go onto Wish, buy some free Halloween baking goodies, and see what I could make. So I got 2 silicone molds. One is a little brain silicone mold that I thought we could use to make some brain jelly. One of them is a little skull silicone mold, and I thought we could make some little chocolate skulls and fill them with mousse. And then one of them isn't a mold, it's a little cupcake wraparoundy thingy-mabob. And these skull molds are kind of tiny, and I don't know if the DIY is gonna work. So kind of cheated just a little bit and bought these ones from Amazon. I'm gonna go ahead and start with the jelly mold. I think this is gonna take the longest. Get some jelly on the go. Got my mixing bowl. I've wiped the surface, by the way, and washed my hands. Or have I? You will never know, but I'm gonna tell you I have. Got my little slab of jelly. Slice it into squares. Jeez! Okay, got my jelly squares. We're gonna put those into a mixing bowl, and we're gonna do another load of jelly. Do you know what? I think it might just be better to rip them. That's way easier. And give your hands a little wash. You also need some boiling water, so I'm just gonna flick on my cute blue kettle. Just waiting for the kettle to boil. Done. Add 1 pint of boiling water. And then I'm gonna give it a little mix with my new little spoon. Come on now, that's a cute little spoon. Am I correct? It's taken a long time. So I have put the jelly in the fridge for now before we add the cream. Never added cream to jelly before, but that's what's in the instructions, but it says to cool it first. So that's in the fridge. We're now gonna try and make some chocolate skulls. I don't have much hope for this, if I'm honest, but we're gonna give it our best shot. It comes apart, but I don't know whether I meant to put it together and fill it, or half fill it and then put it together, or I don't really know what I'm doing. Got my chocolate. I'm gonna go ahead and put this in the microwave and then just melt it. Waiting for the microwave. Oh, it's all gooey. Oh yeah. I'm gonna start with the ones that I bought from Amazon just because they're bigger, and I feel like these are very much expert level, you know exactly what you're doing molds. I'm gonna use the big ones. Got more space for mistakes. Oh no. This is not going to go well, is it? I don't know what I'm doing. I've made a mistake. I should have really thought this through a bit better, and I did not. We've had a boo-boo. This is stupid. We're just gonna sandwich these together. There we go. Oh no. I'm just gonna do some of this. I made a horrible mess. I'm putting them in the freezer. Change of plan. We're gonna just try and make solid chocolate skulls, because hollow ones don't want to work. Do we think Jasmine can get it through this hole? I do not. Ooh, oh, whoa! I'm impressed with myself. Oh no! Oh. I was was doing so well. Oh, okay, let's try again. Let's see how neat we can get this. Instantly not neat. Oh, we started off so well. I mean, it wouldn't be a Jazzybum video without me making a mess, would it really? It just wouldn't. Look at the state of this. Jelly is still cooling. Chocolate is still cooling. So on to the start of the final DIY, which is Halloween cupcakes, and I have a little bit more hope for these because I'm gonna use shop bought cake mix. Preheat oven, done. Uno, dos, oil, water, done. Eggs. Gonna grab my special Halloween whisk, which is actually in no way Halloween themed apart from the fact it's orange. But it came as a set with my spoon and this little spatula, which is obviously Halloween themed. We're gonna use this, give it a whisk. This isn't the best whisk, I'm not going to lie to you. Do you know what? This whisk is not bad. It is doing the job. That is a great cake mixture. It is smooth. Ooh, should we make the cake mixture like orange and purple or something? Let's make some green cake mixture. Spooky. Oh, look at the colour. Okay. Oh, I've made a mess of this. Oh no. Good. Typical. Got food everywhere. Great. For me, this is going great. We'll see how they come out of the oven. Look at the lack of mess I'm making. But I am happy with these. So I'm going to go ahead, put these in the oven, and while I put them in the oven, we're going to check the jelly. This is a lot of multitasking going on here. I feel like I'm playing Cooking Fever. Ooh, little plug. Everything's just so messy. Why can I not just do things nicely and neatly and organizedly? Interesting. Ew, give it a little stir. I don't think it's meant to do that. This doesn't look like something I really want to eat. Got our brain juice, which looks absolutely vile. And then we've got our brain mold. I'm just gonna pour it in. Ooh! Hey! It's not falling apart. It's not quite even. I'm thinking I can prop this up with some tin foil. Does that work? Yes, creative genius. We're gonna go with that. We're just gonna put that in the fridge and just hope for the best. Oh goodness. Okay, it's tipping, I feel like I'm doing an egg and spoon race. My cupcakes. My cupcakes do not look good. I think I failed on everything in this video. The jelly looks ridiculous. The cupcakes aren't rising to the point at which I thought they would rise. And I don't know what's happening with my chocolate, so cupcakes are ready. Some of them look quite good. Some of them look quite good. Some of them didn't have a great time in the oven, so I'm just gonna have to eat it. Some of them look pretty decent. Look at this little guy. He's doing all right, isn't he? My little cupcakes have cooled. They actually look really cute. They definitely didn't rise to the top of the cases, but the color is so perfect. I'm very, very happy with the color of these. The next thing I'm gonna do is attempt to color some icing with some black food coloring. Lower your expectations, kids. It's not gonna go well. Got a little bit of black food coloring. Yes! Oh my gosh, okay, I am happy. Wow, that's a lot of this food coloring. Yes! Look, oh my gosh, yes! Look at this. Oh, I'm so happy. Here comes the bit I'm not looking forward to. I need to pipe it, and I'm not very good at piping. A piping bag. If any of you have any piping tips, I'm happy to hear them, because I am not good at the whole piping thing. I'm just not good at this bit. This is where I fail. Hey, that went kind of well. This may be the first piping bag I've ever filled without just ruining my life. I'm not really ready for this, but we're gonna go for it. It's not the best, but it's not terrible. Pat on the back for me. I'm gonna be a little bit sneaky and I'm gonna break one of these up and put it on top. I broke up a cupcake and made it into a double cupcake so that I've got more room for icing. This is the best cupcake I have ever iced in my entire life. It looks all It looks good. I'm just gonna take credit for that. That looks all right. I've got icing all over me. Typical. Okay, these are the little Wish cupcake cases. They look really cute. And we're just gonna... They're good. I like these. Come on now. I did kind of good. Look at this. That is not bad. They are great little cupcake cases and they were free. I'll accept it. My little mess of chocolate. It's stuck. You can do this, just don't break when you do it. I'm so confused. Okay, these two, which look like they're the most filled, have nothing in them really. So that's good. I don't know if I've got any hope for the other two. Yes please. Go Wish molds. Look at that. It's already melting in my hand. I need to put it down quick. Wait, and there's another one. Okay, they worked. Happiness, ultimate happiness. I'm going to sit them on my special little Halloween tray. Let's see what happened to my hollow ones. Oh no, oh no. I broke them both in half. I did try a second time to make the hollow skulls. He's got a little bit of a crack in him, but I think he's survived it. Oh my gosh, this might have worked. Oh my god, please don't break, please don't. I'm so happy. Oh my gosh, this one is pretty much broken, but this one is fully intact. Look at him. Yes, I have some cheesecake mousse. I'm gonna put this into a piping bag and attempt to make some brains in the back of the skull head. Oh, that is solid. Oh my goodness. I've got a little skull and I've broken a little hole in the back of his head. And now we're going to grab our piping bag and I'm going to do some more piping. Ooh. Ta-da! Got my little skull with brains. That's actually, if I do say so myself, that's actually pretty good. Okay, cupcakes are looking cute. Little brain man is looking cute. The final thing to do is try and pop this jelly out, and I just don't see this working. I'm so scared. Right, ready? 1, 2, 3. I don't know. Interesting. That looks absolutely vile. Didn't really work, did it? So basically, this top bit actually looks pretty good and decent, but then all the creamy bit has gone like to the bottom. It looks really gross, to be fair. And then I guess I can just drizzle some food coloring onto it. Oh, that gives a really good effect. Wait, got my brain. So there's that. I'm gonna go ahead and say that the brain failed a little bit. However, the cupcake looks amazing. I'm actually really, really happy with it and can't wait to cut into it. And then the little skull also looks really good. I'm happy with how these two turned out. The brain is just a mess. It's just a mess. But as per usual, I do hope you enjoyed watching this video. If you did, give it a big thumbs up for me. Subscribe if you haven't already, and I will see you guys super soon. Bye.